Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to create a weather application with only HTML. Yes guys, we are going to be using a website called weatherwidget.org to get a simple weather application in multiple forms, in responsive forms. We have multiple forms as you can see over here. We have an horizontal form, we have a responsive form, and we have a ticker form. And the best thing about this weather application widget is that no need of CSS, just you need to copy the code that they provide, paste it in your HTML code, that's it. And the one and the most nice thing that I like about this widget, it is we can set our weather country to auto. So once the user is opening this application or the website in a different country, that specific country where the user is, their degree, their weather will be displayed in this widget. So let's jump right into the tutorial video and let's see how can we actually use the weather widget to create a beautiful responsive horizontal and ticker weather widgets with only HTML. So I have a simple application over here. Let me just refresh, and as you can see there's nothing being displayed over here. So let me just open up my code editor. As you can see over here, I just do have a simple heading which is displaying a weather application, and we do have a 3 codes over here. That's a comments for a responsive weather section, for a ticker weather section, and for a horizontal section. The source code will be provided in the description below, so you're free to use it and make changes. So what we actually need to do is that we need to visit the weatherwidget.org website. The link will be provided in the description below for this weather widget. And now for an example, the first widget that I need is the responsive one, and the responsive widget looks something like this. We need to copy the code. We need to come to our code editor and just paste it right over here. That's it. Now let me save it, let me open my project, and let me refresh and see whether it is being displayed or not. And as you can see, it is being displayed. So the one and the most important thing to notice over here is that the location in a short form of loc, in which you can provide your ID. So if you provide your ID of your country, of another country, the same country weather location, weather degree will be displayed over there in the weather widget. But if you want to specify it auto, so just what you actually need to do over here is that you just need to go with auto. That's it. Now let me just open my browser and let me refresh my page, and it should display my country. So as you can see over here guys, it is being displaying my country, where am I right now. Great. So now let's try out the horizontal and a ticker widget. So first let's go with a ticker widget. Let's copy the code. Let's open our code editor. Same thing we need to do is we need to paste the code, come back, and what we need is we need to just change the loc to the auto. Now same thing we will repeat with our horizontal section. Just select the tab from top, copy the code, come to your code editor and paste it right over here. So guys, as you can see, it is that simple to create a simple weather widget, which is going to be a working weather widget by only using HTML. Let's save it, let's open our browser, our application, and let's refresh. And boom guys, as you can see, a responsive, a ticker, and a what is called, it's called a horizontal weather widget is being displayed, and it is working one with the auto. If you want to specify your own country or any country, you can just specify your country ID. Alright guys, so as you can see, it was that simple to create a simple weather widget application by only using simple HTML, and that's it guys. It is called a weather widget webs.org. That's it guys. If you like the video, it was a short video. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes guys, I want to just tell you a small notice is that we will be continuing our React Native projects from the next video onwards. So join us and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell. Alright guys, and then I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Peace.